Buongiorno. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this type and shape of pasta. We'll be looking at how to say more pasta names and Italian dish names as well, that too many people get wrong. Stay tuned. So let's break down how you pronounce it. In Italian, for reference, it's said as pappardelle, pappardelle. So because you have a double P, you want to kind of insist on that double P, make it twice as long. Pappardelle, but the stress is on the delle syllable because there's a double L. Okay, so pappardelle, pappardelle, or in English, pappardelle, pappardelle. From Italian, pappardelle. It's easy, right? Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support and more videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching.